guys, welcome to another vlog. My name's Karen, this is my KC Lifestyle channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful year, start of a wonderful year. Another video, I haven't had a video come out maybe since the end of January, start of February. Hopefully start making another one. I got my boy here, Carlo.
I nearly fell there.
Yeah, he almost fell. It is quite slippery. Not actually supposed to be up here, but we're going to try and head down, get some more cinematic views, and show you guys, what Trentham Falls looks like. What is it?
We jump off the cliff like that, and then the Warrandyte River is like really deep. You can jump on it. Yeah. What? Long time ago.
Warrandyte?
Warrandyte.
I haven't been to the Warrandyte one.
Warrandyte, like you can jump off the cliff, and then because it's so deep, you can jump off it.
I'll have to try that then. Alright guys, so we're finally here. I'm puffed out going down. I actually went down the steeper way. I know there was an easier way because people actually beat me to it as well. But damn, I miss this. This is awesome. Okay, so we finally made it down. I'm sweating. Carlo, how are you feeling, man?
Oh man, sweaty ass. Going down that hill. Ready.
Man, this is just peaceful. Love this place. Always come here just to refresh the mind. It's something to restart in life. I mean, why not enjoy it? Mother Nature. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. It's only a quick one. Show some cinematic videos. I hope you guys are all well. Yeah. Stay tuned. Alright, finally going to go underneath the waterfall. Oh my god, no, actually probably not, it's too slippery. Yeah, no. And there's a lot of people around too, so kind of don't want to try and get in the way with any other people. Where are you going? Careful there, it's slippery there too. Woo! How awesome does that look? How crazy does that look? This guy, look how focused he is. Look how focused. Oh, what? Always on tack, always on tack. Every single day. Wow, just amazing. Wow.
Alright, it's slippery, so I'm going to see if I can try and get in here.
Whoa, yeah, slipped a bit.
Carlo, get down here. Oh, walk. Hey? Woo, underneath the waterfall. And there's really nothing here. I thought it would have been something here. There's really nothing here. Shows how long I actually haven't been here. Where the hell is this guy going?
What? I ain't going in there.
getting wet.
Yeah, of course, man.
Because it's waterfall.
Alright, I think I'm going to try and go down that side and get some more footage. I still haven't had any footage yet, so let's go. Alright, no time to go down to the other side. We are heading towards one of the forests that we actually passed through. Because it looked like something that from what, like Twilight, running in the bushes like Blair Witch and some. We're going to try and do that. Get some photos, witchcraft. Hopefully fly my drone. My phone's almost dead and I got no charger for it too. But yeah, I'm gonna have to concentrate, so I'll start recording when I get back on the top again. Whew. All right, finally made it to the top. Welcome back to the car and oh fuck, we're dead. All right.
I was editing and walking up the hill at the same time.
Alright, so next destination we're going to is a forest. As I said before, when I catch my breath. Looks like Twilight, Jacob Black running through the forest. Get some photos there, get some cinematic views, hopefully, because I didn't get much down in the river, down in the waterfall, so. But yeah, walk back to the car. What's up guys, so unfortunately we actually didn't go to the forest. We got tired on the way there, so we scratched out and just went straight home. Carlo was already falling asleep before we even got to the forest. That being said, the lighting over there as well was pretty bad too. It was overcast really badly, started to spit a little bit too. It wasn't giving us enough lighting for photos to be taken or even videos to be actually recorded properly as well. So we scratched the whole thing and just left. The video is kind of short, but trying to put out as much as I can again with all these vlogs. I really want to try and get started on this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but hopefully more to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I hope to go see you guys soon. Peace.